Hello po mga kababayan, kamusta po kayong lahat? And once again, welcome back to another episode of Simply Talkies Vlog. Mga kababayan, ang ating pong pag-uusapan, eto po tayo muli sa West Philippine Sea. Kasi may bago pong update. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, kung meron pong mga bagong update tungkol sa ating West Philippine Sea, tayo po ay magbibigay ng balita, opinion at reaction dito. So, una po, mga 2 po, mga 6 na article po ito at meron pong isang napaka suspicious na parang ano ng China, no? Okay, unahin natin itong magandang balita. Galing po ito sa ah, Philippine News Agency o government controlled ito, no? PH, US hold second joint maritime patrol in West Philippine Sea. Oh, nag-maritime patrol na naman ang ating bansa with ating kalabaw. Yun ang sabi ni Wonderful Tonight Senator. At nga pala, maraming salamat sa ating friend dyan sa Palawan. Siya po yung nagbigay sa atin ng headline na ito. Maraming salamat and shout out po sa mga taga Palawan, taga Zambales, Pangasinan and Ilocos region dahil yan po yung ating West Philippine Sea. Okay, at oo nga pala, yung ating Talkies Pawikan, ayan po, na-release na daw po siya sa ating West Philippine Sea. O naglalayag na dyan si Baby Talkies. Sana lumaki siyang giant. At tapos kainin yung mga incheck. Joke lang. Eto po. Ulitin natin. PH, US hold second joint maritime patrol in West Philippine Sea. The AFP and the United States Indo-Pacific Command on Wednesday held their second maritime cooperative activity or what they called MCA in the West Philippine Sea. In a statement Wednesday, AFP Public Affairs Office Chief Colonel Cerces Trinidad said the two-day, dalawang araw pala, bilateral event which runs until Thursday consists of passing exercises, communication checks, cross-deck exercises, joint patrols, officer of the watch maneuvers, and fixed-wing flight operation. Trinidad said the AFP deployed 4 Philippine Navy vessels, a search and rescue multi-role helicopter, and an anti-submarine warfare-capable helicopter. Oh wow, wala pa po tayong submarine ha. Baka naman merong gustong mag-donate siya. On the other hand, the the United States Indo-Pacific Command utilized 4 US Navy vessels from the Carrier Strike Group 1, an aircraft carrier. Uy! Ano kayang aircraft carrier dito? Hattori! Anong aircraft carrier ang nandyan sa Indo-Pacific? Ating pong prenya. A cruiser, 2 destroyers, and multiple combat aircraft. Naku! Carrier Strike Group 1. Hattori, comment! The first MCA o yung Maritime Cooperative Activity between Philippines and the United States took place from November 21st to 23rd last year and involved naval vessels and aircraft from the two countries. Ito po yung binatikos ng Defense Ministry ng China. No? Ano ang sabi nila? Wala daw koordinasyon yung nangyaring MCA yung una nung November 21st to 23rd. Bakit? Paano nyo nalamang walang coordination? Hindi daw in sync. Kasi, sila? Spectator. parang yung kanta ni Bette Midler. From the distance. They are watching from the distance. Baka namang gustong sumali kasi 'di ba? Sila yung tawag doon, yung binuntutan. Pati yung sa ere, bumuntot din yung mga eroplano nila, di ba nainggit? Pwede, gusto naman palang makisamang maki-joint patrol, bakit hindi na lang nagpasubali? Tapos may komento pang ganun, inggit. Sabi nga nila, pag inggit, pikit, di ba? Oh, ano bang, paano mo i-translate yun sa Chinese? Oh, Mami Peng, pasok!
风吹啦，是滴滴空开啦，不去给，波不去讲，是滴空东那，不去给，是滴嗡嗡追，追到空空来，是当波不去讲，是滴空东那，是丁中呀空空我，不去给，ek.
Oh, di ba? Ang galing. Ang galing ni Mami Peng. Shout out. Meanwhile, AFP Chief General Romeo Browner said that the second MCA is a significant leap between the Philippines-US alliance and their interoperability. It also demonstrates our progress in defense capabilities and development as a world-class armed force as we carry out our mandate to protect the people and the state. Our alliance is stronger than ever, sending a message to the world. We are advancing a rules-based international order and a free and open Indo-Pacific region in the face of regional challenges. Kaboom! Oh, ngayon, ngangak-ngak dyan, itong mga Chekwa. Oh, uy, ini-imprints nyo ang aming sovereignty. Ginagamit nyo pa ang external forces. Yung po yung sinasabi ninong mga spokesperson nila, si Mao Ning, si Wang Wenbin, o sumali na yung kanilang spokesperson for Defense Ministry na si Wu Qian. Di ba? O yung mga pro-China ng mga kababayan natin, sasabihin, nakikipagkampihan na naman sa US ang mga gago. O ilalatag nyo kami sa gera, mga gunggong. Kung ayaw nyo pala dyan, umalis kayo ng Pilipinas, putang ina, mag-aral na lang kayo ng mga nihaw-nihaw. May iiyak na namang mga Chekwa. Di ba, paiiyakin naman sila. Ano ba yung tama? Parang yung yung kantang sad movies. Oh, sad movies. Always makes me cry. Di ba? Malalaman nyo ano ang ginagawa ng mga Chekwa, no? Habang tayo ay nagjo-joint patrol o nag-MCA dito sa mga Amerikano, sa ating mga kalabaw. Kasi yung kalabaw ni Robin, ayun, spectator na naman, mga inggiterong biatch. Eto pa, sa Daily Tribune naman, mga kababayan, AFP, rules of engagement to prevail during Philippine-US maritime activity. Ay, yeah. The Armed Forces of the Philippines emphasize that the rules of engagement at sea will prevail should China interrupt the country's ongoing bilateral maritime exercises with the United States. Uy, ano yun? Rule of engagement to prevail. Sakasakali daw po na makialam ang China, i-interrupt nila. Ay, ano yung rules of engagement? Hattori, pasok! Ano yung rules of engagement? Kayo po, ano ang nasa isip nyo? Kasi ako may naiisip pero I don't wanna mention it. Hattori, mention mo sa comment, ano yung rules of engagement na yan? AFP Public Affairs Colonel Cerces Trinidad made the remarks following the opening of a 3-day, 3-day ka rin, akala ko ba 2 days lang, ang gulo mo talaga. Maritime cooperative activity between the Philippines and the United States on Wednesday, wherein several bilateral maritime air exercises will be conducted within the West Philippine Sea. We will follow our respective rules of engagement in case of any illegal, disruptive, and dangerous actions by any foreign country. Ay, nako, ang tapang na. Ikaw ba naman kasama mo yung nasa strike group 1 Diyan sa Indo-Pacific Command ng US Fleet. Isang carrier, 2 destroyer. Pucha. Di ba? May papalag ba? May papalag. Ang yabang na natin, Colonel Trinidad. Ang yabang mo naman, sir. Oy, sir. Di ba? Oy, ikaw dyan, Kapitan Enrique, Colonel. Ang layo naman pala ng, insignia mo. Ikaw, 2 bar lang. Siya, agila na to. Full-fledged Colonel na si Colonel Trinidad, sir. Ito ang sinasaluduhan. Hindi si Dalipe Enrique na mukhang kupal. Hindi makapagbigay ng statement. O buti pa to, si spokesperson. O sino nagsabi niya? Siyempre, ini-echo niya yung sinasabi ni AFP Chief Staff Romeo Browner. General, baka pwede mo na akong i-promote. Si Robin nga, pinromote nyo eh. Colonel na eh. Eh ako, baka hanggang second lieutenant lang ako Pwede ba? Iangat nyo naman ako. Huwag nyo akong gawing captain. Baka matulad ako kay Dalipe. Puta, kupal yan. Ayun. Amid the increasing tensions in the West Philippine Sea, Trinidad said, the Philippines USMCA is not an activity that is directed at any country. Correct. Wala. Ano lang namin to, kasiyahan namin to. Ito, ganito kami mag-trip. Quote, we are against any form of escalation and support peaceful and diplomatic resolution of conflict but are ready. Take note. Kung sino ka man dyan na spectator, na kupal ka, but are ready to respond to aggressions to ensure the safety of our personnel if necessary. Hooray! I support your statement, sir. Okay lang yan. Tama po yan. Yan ang sabi niya. Rule of engagement to prevail. Pag may mag-i-interrupt sa amin. Yari na. Ito. Yung may nainggit, may nainggit. Yung spectator, nainggit, no? Ito, Daily Tribune pa rin. Salamat po sa Daily Tribune. China announces routine military patrols in disputed South China Sea. Tingnan nyo? Sobrang pakialamero talaga si Kupal. China on Wednesday, kung kailan tayo nagsasagawa ng MCA natin, no? Maritime Cooperation diyan sa US fleet sa Indo-Pacific Command nila. Military patrols in the South China Sea following recent clashes between countries in the disputed waterway. The PLA Southern Theater Command said it had organized naval and air forces to conduct routine patrols in the sea from January 3 to 4. O di ba gaya-gaya ang mga kupal, mga inggitero talaga. The statement did not mention where exactly the patrols will take place or give specific details of their aims. Di siyempre, gusto na namang bumuntot doon sa ating maritime patrol with the US. Naiinggit Gusto yatang, may aircraft carrier ang US. Tapatan nga natin kung gaano kalaki yung aircraft carrier natin. May ibubuga ba? Di magtestingan na kayo, mga kupal kayo. Tanginan yung mga inchik kayo. Di ba mga kababayan? Pero anong sabi ni Colonel Cerces Trinidad, sir? Rule of engagement to be prevail. Ang tapang talaga. Yan ang Pinoy. Tanginan nyo, sige, kantiin nyo. Mahayop kayong mga Chekwa kayo. Beijing claims almost the entire South China Sea and has ignored international tribunal ruling that is assertion has no legal basis. Tapos magsasalita, tayo daw ang violator ng international law. O di ba? Nababalita na wala nga silang kakampi. Ang kakampi nila is China, Beijing, and Chekwa. Ay, oo nga pala. Yung mga Duterte saka yung mga minions nilang asong ulol. Ayun. Di ba? May papakita akong picture sa inyo. Tingnan nyo yan si Duterte. Sino yung mga naka-araw-araw sa kanya? Di ba? Chekwa! It deploys boats to patrol the busy waterway and has built artificial islands that it has militarized to reinforce its claims. Tignan nyo, sasabihin ni Mauning, dapat daw uninhabited yung Ayungin Shoal. Kasi, nandun pa yung BRP Sierra Madre. Pero sa palagay nyo, kung wala doon yung presensya ng ating BRP Sierra Madre, magiging uninhabited ba yun? I-inhabit yan ng mga Chekwa, di ba? Di ba, gago lang tong si Mauning Tinan yung ginawa nila sa Mischief, sa Ruby, sa Perry Shoal. Dapat yan uninhabited Pero anong ginawa? Tinayuan nila ng military base. Pero, ang bali-balita po sa akin ng aking friend na nandyan sa Palawan, the sea is slowly claiming or reclaiming what its own. Gago kasi sila eh. Pinakialamin nila. Binago nila yung course of nature. O ngayon, yung dagat, baka si King Poseidon, sabi niya, mga putang ina nung Tsekwa kayo. Laruan ko yan, bakit nyo binaboy? O ngayon, kukunin ko na slowly sa inyo. Ayun. May evident po yan. Si former NSA advisor Clarita Carlos, sinabi niya rin po yan sa post niya sa Facebook. Yung kinlaim nila, nireclaim nila, unti-unti nang kiniklaim ulit ni Mother Nature. Pinakialaman nyo kasi. Sana lang dumating na si Aquaman dyan. At palubugin na yung putang ina ninyo. O kami ba, sa tagal-tagal namin dyan, 1999, tinayuan ba ng istruktura ang ayungin? Sinadsad lang yung barko, pero hindi namin binaboy yung shoal na yan. Oh. Kaya po nilagay yung barko na yan para po protektahan sa mga putang inang Tsekwa na yan. Yan. Di po ba? O yan, nainggit po sila. Nainggit sila. O, magrurutin military din daw sila. Mga inggitero eh. Pinapakita lang na, hoy, malakas din kami. Gonggong. Pinipilit ang sarili. O, bakit ko nasabing pinipilit ang sarili? O, Daily Tribune ulit. O, anong sabi? Ha? Uninvited guests in Philippine-US drills. Chinese vessels shadow 3 Philippine Navy ships. Bakit tayo lang ang kaya nilang i-shadow? Bakit hindi nila i-shadow yung strike group 1 ng US na kasama natin? Kasi ang lit-lit ng barko natin eh. Oo, ano lang tayo, mga frigate, eh sila mga ganun eh, 10 times the size of frigate eh. Kaya tayo lang ang kaya talagang ibole. Kita nyo, tayo ang apple of the eye ng mga putang inang ganun ng mata ng mga inchik na yan. Ha? Oh, 2 Chinese Navy vessels were spotted tailing 3 Filipino ships during joint maritime exercises between the Philippines and the United States in the West Philippine Sea near Lubang, Occidental Mindoro. O tingnan nyo, Occidental Mindoro na yan, ha? Ha? Hindi na yan part ng yung kanilang zone. Pero sinasyado pa rin tayo. Dapat yan, pinaalis yan eh. Diba? Vice Admiral Alberto Carlos, RAFP Western Command Chief, said the 2 naval vessels of the Chinese People's Liberation Army had been shadowing the BRP Ramon Alcaraz, BRP Gregorio del Pilar, and BRP Davao del Sur since Wednesday morning. Oh, para po sa kaalaman ng iba na hindi pa alam yung ibig sabihin ng BRP, ulitin ko, Barko ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Ayun po yung BRP. Barko ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Yun po ang tawag dyan. Okay? Quote, they had been shadowing us since this morning, but that was of no matter. Just like the United States, they have the right to freedom of navigation, so they there. As you can see, we are still doing our operations. We're still conducting our serials. Ayun po yung sabi ni Vice Admiral Alberto Carlos. Ako po ay nabubulol sa mga to. Despite China's presence, Carlos said the Philippines were still able to conduct a joint maritime patrol. They're not obstructing our movements, but that's it. They are monitoring our movements here and in our training area. But this is our exclusive economic zone. Okay lang yan. Carlos said the BRP Gregorio del Pilar radio crew challenged the Chinese Navy vessels 570 and 174, which were sailing inside the Philippines and US MCA operational box of about 15,000 square nautical miles. When we challenged them, they said they are operating within the jurisdictional area, which is false. O diba, mga sinungaling? That is wrong. We have jurisdiction over this area because it is in our exclusive economic zone. Carlos said China was limiting its action to shadowing the Philippine ships. The Chinese ships were still shadowing the Philippine vessels as of press time. Oh, ayan po yan. No? Hindi na po natin babasahin yung mga nandito kasi it's all about yung exercise nila. No? Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Ganun po yung exercise namin nung bata kami. May tambol eh. Dung. Siguro ginagawa pa rin dyan ngayon. No? O, ito naman. Latest na balita ulit. May nangyaring di maganda. Philippine U.S. exercises in West Philippine Sea canceled due to operational necessities. Uy, ano kaya yun? No? The AFP on Wednesday confirmed that the execution of the country's maritime air exercise, sa taas naman, with the United States as part of their joint maritime cooperative activity in the West Philippine Sea was canceled due to operational necessities. These canceled drills include the execution of a joint POTO exercise, the Philippine-US formations at sea, the gunnery exercise, cross-deck or personal transfer exercise, and the officer of the watch maneuvers. Unfortunately, all the activities were canceled itong atin of maritime cooperative activities with the US. I got word that even today's activity will be canceled due to operational necessities of the US forces. O ayun po yung sabi ni Vice Admiral Alberto Carlos, no? Originally, the first day of NCA was scheduled for Tuesday, January 2nd, but was delayed for the following day. The next day, Westcom BRP Gregorio del Pilar was able to hold a unilateral exercise with the Northern Luzon's BRP Ramon Alcaraz, as well as the BRP Davao del Sur that involves standard communication check and maritime patrol. We are doing unilateral exercise. The Philippine forces ship that were here already, we are doing the maneuver. Some were serials on our own unilaterally. Then tomorrow, I was told na tuloy pa rin naman yung distinguished visitor visit sa carrier. Ay, ano kayang carrier yan? Yan ba yung Ronald Reagan? No? Yung ang home port po niyan o yung home base ng USS Ronald Reagan. Correct me, Hattori, if I'm wrong, ay dyan po sa Japan. No? O yun daw po, na-cancel due to operational necessities. Sabi na rin ng US, baka may problema ang US, no? Baka sabi ano muna natin? Postpone. Kasi mahirap na, ano ang sabi ni Colonel Cerces Trinidad? Rules of engagement will prevail. Sakaling may intimidador, may inggitero, may makikialam. O ano, eto ngayon. No? Ito po, may sinabi po ang presidente ng China tungkol po sa US. No? January 1st sa balita ng Manila Bulletin. Last article natin ito. Xi, yung presidente ng China, Xi says willing to work with US for a stable relationship. Kasi po, kung maalala nito, binlag natin ito, yung kanilang spokesperson for Defense Ministry na si Wu Qian, binatikos po ang US. No, wag daw po kayong makialam, pakiilamero kasi kayo. You are enabling the Philippines na magtapang-tapangan and stand up for the bully like us. Diba? Ayaw nilang makialam ang US. Di kung wala pala dyan yung mga kalabaw namin, sino na ang titingin sa inyo? Sino na ang magbabantay sa inyo? Mistula kayong Diyos dyan sa South China Sea. Wala nga kayong karapatan dyan sa aming exclusive economic zone, sa aming West Philippine Sea. No? Kakaya-kayanin nyo kami, binubuli nyo kami kasi bakit? Malakas ang inyong military. No? Kaya, mga kababayan, kailangan natin ng kakampi. 'Di ba? Yung mga binubuli, may sumasaklolo, 'di ba, sa mga movie. Ang gusto ng China, patuloy silang maging bully o tapatan sila ng another bully. Tamilmil sila ngayon. Tamilmil sila parang si Sara Duterte. Sara Duterte tamilmil, pasok! Ayam po yan.
Pong choyla, chididikong koyla, buchikek, ek, bobo chichang, chidikong tong na, buchikek, ek, chidiwongwong choy, chodokongkong loy, chidang bobo chichang, chidikong tong na, chiding chong yakangkong wop, buchikek, ek.
No? Diba? Ispasok pa rin natin ang tatay niya. Pasok!
Kaya nga sabi ko, why are you so sparing? Gusto ninyo, gawain na lang ninyo kaming province, Fujian, pati Philippine province of China. Di wala tayong problema. We say, libre na lahat. Kasi yung oil, joint naman. Yung oil mo, dito mo yung pinakamarami. 2/3 amin, 1/3. Mayaman naman kayo. Tsaka probinsya na kami. Oh, Province of Philippines, Republic of China. The nearest is Fujian. Hayaan mo na lang yung Taipei. Huwag na natin galawin. Baka maliit-liit na ano. Hayaan mo yan siya. Just let it float there. Makuha mo ang Pilipima. Kasi maraming pera eh. Kung babae pa itong China, niligawan ko na yun.
O di ba? Tuwang-tuwa kayo, di ba? O ang galing Chinese ni Sara Tamilmil Duterte at yung tatay niya, tuwang-tuwa pa. Pag naging babae daw ang China, liligawan niya at baka matuhog niya pa. Ibang baston pala ang gustong patigasin ni Duterte. Pero himod puwet kay Xi Jinping ang puta. Chinese President Xi Jinping said Monday he was willing to work with the United States to promote stable bilateral ties, exchanging congratulations with his U.S. counterpart on the anniversary of diplomatic relations. No, Xi and U.S. President Joe Biden met in San Francisco in November, vowing to improve communication and effort to stop competition from spilling over into conflict. And in an exchange of messages to mark the 45th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between the two countries, Xi said both sides should take practical actions to promote the stable, healthy, and sustainable development of China-US relations. Quote, Xi Jinping emphasized, I am willing to work with President Biden to continue to navigate China-US relations, benefit both China and the United States and their people, and promote world peace and development. O, yun naman pala eh. Di ba? Xi added that adhering to mutual respect, peaceful coexistence, and win-win cooperation is the correct way for China and the United States to interact. O, ayun naman pala. O, di ba? Kailangan, kung yan pala ang gusto nyo, ang gusto rin naman ng US ay pareho lang. Siguro, mutual respect and ganito, relationship, wag kayong maghari-harian dyan sa Indo-Pacific. Huwag kayong maging bully sa mga Pilipino at sa mga other claimants ng West Philippine Sea. Kayo lang naman ang gumagawa niyan. 'Di ba? Yung mga other claimants o yung Taiwan, Malaysia, Brunei, Vietnam, I don't know with Indonesia. Hindi naman tayo binubuli. Magandang relasyon natin. 'Di po ba? Kayo lang. Kayo ang nagwa-water cannon. Kayo ang nagbablock ng aming mga RORI mission. Nile-laser pointing nyo ang aming Coast Guard. So what's the deal with that? Ngayon, gusto nyong sa US. O gusto rin ng US yan. Pero, meron kaming MDT sa kanila. Na kinatigan pa nila yan. They have an ironclad commitment. O, with Biden, with VP Harris, and DND, o Department of Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin. Diba? Ironclad commitment. Kasinama nilang Coast Guard. So, huwag nyong galawin. Kung gusto nyo ng kapayapaan, katahimikan, at kaunlaran, patuloy na magandang relasyon between our country and yours, why not? Abide with that 2016. Give us our exclusive economic zone. Huwag kayong makialam dyan sa aming West Philippine Sea. No? Stay on your orange line. Ayan, no? Stay on your orange line. Pagdating dyan sa South China Sea. Hindi. You want to be a god in that South China Sea? No. A god, hindi ganyan. Hindi maramot ang Diyos. Hindi ipagdadamot ng Diyos yan. Hindi niya aariin yan. Pero ibang klaseng God kayo. Even Poseidon, hindi niya yan gagamitin yan. No? Di ba? Yung mga Greek mythology dyan. Di po ba? Kung ganun man. Pero itong China, no? Dahil hindi sila naniniwala sa Diyos, tinuturing nilang sarili na sila ang Diyos. No? Hindi po tayo papayag. Wala tayong pakialam kung gusto lang magkaroon ng stable relationship sa US. Pero ang gusto natin ay magkaroon tayo ng sovereignty, assert our rights and jurisdiction on that West Philippine Sea. Ayan ang hindi naintindihan ng mga minions at asong ulol nila Duterte. Tama, mali. Di po ba? O ngayon, nagjo-joint patrol tayo. Marami pong gusto pang ibang countries na magkaroon ng joint patrol. Ang Australia, kumakatig sa atin. Ang India, nandyan ang kanilang isang warship. O, di ba? O, ngayon, spectator lang sila, yung mga inggitero, di ba? Bumuntot na lang kayo tulad nung ginawa nyo dating una naming joint patrol with the United States, no? O, marami pa pong balita dito about sa China, no? At mga West Philippine Sea. Any updates about that, ibibigay natin sa inyo, no? As long as na kailangan nating i-combat yung disinformation campaign ng Chinese at ng ating mga kababayan na pro-China. Kailangan nating basagin yan. Kailangan natin kayong i-bombard at sabihin sa inyo yung ating naratiba na atin ang West Philippine Sea. Meron tayong pinanghahawakang international ruling. Ayun ang i-assert natin kasi ayan din po ang sinabi ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. I will show this repeatedly sa inyo na sinabi niya. Panghahawakan natin yan. Na walang square inch na maaagaw sa atin. Yan ang pinaninindigan ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Bayaan nyo na si Tamil Mil. Kasi yan ay pro-China talaga. Unless she will make a statement, doon natin malalaman. Pero so far, Tamil Mil siya. So, 100% nandun yung barometer niya sa pro-China. Di po ba? O, kayo po, ano pong inyong masasabi? Comment down below and don't forget to like and share. Hope to see you on our next videos. Bye-bye. God bless.